Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to check shipping on Pandabuy. So the first step is to go to Pandabuy, and then what you'll have to do is simply go to estimation right here, and then here you can get the shipping fee estimation. So it's not 100% that this will be the shipping, it can be more or less. So what you'll have to do is simply enter here your address, then here you'll have to enter the weight, and then here some information like length, width, and height. And then here you'll have to enter the item category, and then simply click on inquire, and then you'll get shipping fee estimation. Now, if you want, you can get here, you can click on customize shipping, and then here you'll have to enter the address, and then you'll have to fill out the product info. So this is very important. You'll have to enter product info, product link, here the quantity, and much more. And then simply click on submit, and you'll get customized shipping fee estimation basically. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.